Hello Internet, I'm Scott and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we will be taking a look at the King Bee microphone from Neat Mics. If you don't know about Neat, you definitely want to look into them. We interviewed Skipper Wise, the founder at CES, the year they first came out, and we'll link that in the description of the video, so definitely check that out. Basically, we have a whole line of products from Neat. And this one here is actually Neat's equivalent of the microphone sitting here in front of me. So if you want to hear it in action, all you have to do is stick around for the other unboxings of the other Neat products, and you will get to hear it in action right here. But let's take a look at what comes in the box. As you can see, it is a very unique box. It is all honeycombed all the way around with the logo on the front and the bee on the back. So let's take the lid off here. All right, so when we first open it up, we have a Neat logo here. We will pop this lid open. There is an entire inner box here. So when we pop the lid open, what we have is the manual for the King Bee, also in honeycomb shape with a cutout on the top in that same shape. We also have a registration card, so that those are our normal expected items to be in the box. Let's find out what else we have. We'll take the foam piece off the top. And in here, this is one of the things that's really unique about the Neat microphone products, is that each one has its own unique little character that comes in the box. That one there is a bee wearing a king's crown. And each individual product has a unique one, so you'll get to see the rest of these if you watch the other unboxing videos. Here we have the microphone itself, which is a really cool looking mic. I've always liked this design since the first interview that we did. And that is the microphone right there. You'll notice that it is definitely sticking with the bee theme. We've got another layer of packaging. This piece here that I'm going to pull out next, well, I'll just pull out the whole styrofoam piece to get started so we can push the box out of the way. All right, so this is my favorite. It comes with, in the box, it comes with a shock mount, which seems to be a little difficult to get out of the packaging, but that's okay because it's protecting the shock mount. So I'm okay with it being a little difficult to unpack. So we have our shock mount, which if you watch a lot of our videos, you will recognize the shock mount as being the piece here around my microphone that keeps the microphone from making horrible noises when I inevitably punch it during recordings, because it happens, especially during an unboxing, for me to jostle around a little bit is natural. And so these pieces here keep it suspended so that that doesn't come through. We've also got our 2 mounting screws to go with the shock mount. Here we have got a windscreen pop cover for the front of the microphone itself. And then here, we've actually got a little carry bag, which is nice. Feels pretty velvety with the neat logo big on the front, and a nice lining on the inside to keep the microphone protected. So that there is what comes in the box for the King Bee. Again, we're going to try and use this microphone in this place to do the rest of the unboxings for the other neat microphone products, of which we have several. I think I'm looking at 4 more in front of me. So I'm going to swap this microphone out and then try the King Bee. So if you want to hear it, definitely stick around for our other unboxings, and make sure that you subscribe to see all of our other content, either on YouTube, on Facebook, or of course on our website. If you go to PLUGHITZLive.com/subscribe, you will see all of our shows and all the many ways that you can subscribe. Obviously, we have not done a review yet, but we will be doing that shortly. And when we do, you can also find that on PLUGHITZ Live under the reviews. And until next time, ciao.